Hi, Jason Steed from Explosive Commerce again. Today we're going to talk a little bit about uh, security within the platform as well as our fail-safe processes that enable you to lock down users and the publishing of content based on user roles and privileges and approval mechanisms within engagement. First of all, setting up a user is at the group or company administrator's discretion, and is done so real simply. An email invitation is sent to a potential new user. They will click on a link and create their own password. Now that's their entrance into the system as a user, and you can decide as the administrator what type of role they will have. One ranging from a role of a company administrator that has access to everything within the platform, all the way down to just a viewer of items that doesn't have any engagement or editing capabilities. Now, you also have the ability, and this can be changed anytime within the platform, to give this new user access to all initiatives and or all voices, and then that can be sent off, and that's how the process starts. The roles are set up like this generically within our system, and you can add and change roles as you see fit. But basically, you can see the company administrator level has access to everything, and then all the way down to the viewer level that can only view very limited information, and then everything in between. And again, that can be altered and changed per your specifications. So it is locked down in that sense, and as you jump into certain initiatives, your users can have access to single voices or multiple voices among multiple channels, and you can see that here where we've got several voices: customer support, the overall voice of the company, and then an individual voice, and then all the channels within each of those. So there's oftentimes a lot of overlap where this voice, and this voice can all have access to the Explosive Commerce Facebook page. This one only has access to its Twitter feed handle, and same with these two, but they can definitely overlap. So the company administrator works with his or her team to come up with an appropriate privilege and roles and responsibilities template. Now, as far as approval paths and teams, the company administrator or group administrator sets those up here, and adding a new team is real simple. It's based on whatever users you've added to the system. They can be simply added and or removed from whatever this new approval team happens to be, and then you can arrange your approval team: first, second, and third levels of approval, and it will go in that order. So until the entire executive team has approved that piece of engagement, the legal team will not even receive notice, and then when that's done, they will, and then you can alter this order as you see fit, and save the order. So as you can see, we've locked it down on an individual level, an API, a password level, and then an approval stream. So our friends and clients and prospects within within regulated industries, financial services, insurance, chemicals, medical, whatever that happens to be, can lock down changes, engagement, and publishing, so it goes through multiple approval levels and multiple teams, whether it's compliance or just management, to ensure that your message is going out properly. Until next time, Jason Steed at Explosive Commerce. Enjoy.